Hi everyone. Okay, so I'm back, lazy. I can't. It's a bit old, but better late than never. I thought let me do something. Let me show you. Let me show everyone else. Let me show my people how we we can style our braids. Yeah, I can style our braids before taking them out. Yeah, I did it myself. Curled to the bottom myself. And this is just expression hair, nothing special. Expression to what I think is 3 different colors. I've got a bit of bronze here, and then red, and then black. Slick my edges. It's got to be to slick my edges. It's a good brand. It's got to be a good brand. It's a popular brand actually. Just hold it down. However, I just give it the look, the white leftovers after a day. You get your And I hope that was really helpful. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below if whatever you want me to do or what you want to see from me. Leave it down in the comment below. Hope this I hope it was helpful. I hope to be seeing some of you in these styles. And yeah, thank you for watching. For those who've been with me from the start, thank you for staying. For those who are just joining, thank you for joining in. And for those who are yet to join, I hope to see you join in soon. Thank you.